Hi everyone, Tara from Lipstick Quick here, and I'm so excited today to share with you how to do everyday contouring. Before we get started, let's make sure that we're using our primer and our foundation prior to putting anything else on the skin. And now that our face is prepped, we can start with contouring. So today I'm going to be using the Magic Mineral Contour Kit by Jerome Alexander. What's amazing about this product is it actually comes with a brush with two different ends. One end for contouring and one end for highlighting. So how I like to start when I'm doing my highlight and contour, especially for an everyday look, I'm choosing the color that's kind of on the outer end. It's a little bit more of a lighter tone, but with no yellow undertones in it. So I'm going to take the first end of my brush and I'm going to apply that under my eye so that I can create a luminous glow in my skin. And I'm doing it on both sides, as well down the center of the nose and on the temples. Once I've completed that, I flip the brush over and I'm going to be using the middle tone because I like a tone that's a natural contour tone, or bronzer if you want to call it that. And I like to apply it from my hairline down on both sides. And you can always go back in after if you want it to be a little deeper. We're going to apply it again as well to the temple, just under where you highlighted, to create some depth in the skin. And I like to sometimes apply it along my jawline if I want to create a more angular shape or just give me a really nice glow. I always do whatever is excess on the end, apply it down the center of my nose, just so it kind of looks like I'm sun-kissed. So I love the way this palette works. I love the texture of these powders, and having the brush is so handy. I highly recommend you grab the Jerome Alexander Magic Mineral Contour Palette.